Sorry about that. I started a whole new recording because I wasn't watching my time. Sorry. Okay, well, I probably got cut off mid-sentence. Either way, I found some weapon, or I didn't find any weapons. I just got some more supplies. So you didn't miss much. All 10 of you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. It really means a lot to me. It means like so much to me. Looks like we got a zombie incoming. Come on, pal. I'll fight you real hard. Really how fights, even though I'm a woman. I'm a woman, but I'm a man. Chopped his arm off. Oh my. Sorry, pal. This place is old in the 70s. Sheesh. Let's go.
I need a breather.
I just broke that door.
All quiet here.
Man, I am tired. I sure am. You okay? Alright, you sure? Okay, let's close this door here. Slam it closed, that's what we'll do. Now we're gonna search for medical use. I don't think I need that, but somebody else might. I can search in an oil barrel. Another Molotov cocktail. No, I don't want it. Search here.
I'm lucky they didn't hear that.
You are. What a piece of crap. I guess I could use it to break a window. Okay. I meant to tell you guys bye last time. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. I don't think we need that yet. So here, since you're not doing much, we're gonna use you to get this. Does it do any more damage? I don't know. It doesn't tell me how much damage it does.
Infirmary in there. Like, why aren't they taking these people to the hospital?
I don't know, man. Whole situation's pretty messed up.
You think?
Yeah.
What's next? Razor wire at guard towers?
That's not a bad idea, actually. We need to make things
That is
safer
not
around
a bad
here.
idea. You sure do.
It's locked.
Alright, here we go. Nah, that's too bad. Maybe somebody has the keys up there. Okay, so I guess we're going to. Oh, I hear a bad guy. That's what I hear. See, okay. Did you guys know I speak zombie? Oh. Easy killer. Break your face. Sounds like that tree's about to fall over. I'm just trotting through the woods, trotting through the woods, trotting through the woods, trotting through the woods. I could use a nice snack. I don't know what standing there and holding me does. Cover me, guys. Cover me.
Crap. That's gonna bring trouble. Not
Get out
alone
of
in
here.
here.
Come on, guys. We gotta hide. Let's go find the bush. Find the bush. Everybody get in here. Does it work? It does work. Literally. Did he detect us already? Look at him. It's so. Oh crap. Yeah, let's get back in the cover. Okay. Hi, friend. What you looking for? Nobody's in here. Shh, I'm just a talking bush. It's okay. Okay, so now this place is covered with zombies because I had to go off and make a bunch of noise. It looks like they're just coming from everywhere. how did I make that much noise in a cooler? I guess I slammed the door shut. Wait for this cat to go into the table. Nope, 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 don't do it, don't do it. I want to stay facing that way. I have a feeling we have a big fight coming up.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, I'm beating you with a stick. Okay. Now that that's settled, back to searching the house. Why are you laying on the table, friend? Where is your face? Why do you have a piece of... Oh, you have a hatchet in your face. Okay, sorry I asked. Did I already search everything here? I don't think I did. Make sure we watch the time this time. Okay, I don't know. Oh, no, there's a little jerry can here. Doesn't make any sense to me. Make some more noise. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of those. I think they call them Zeds in this game. Which I guess that's
All quiet here.
Cool. Which Zed is it's like Z in 4 different languages. Found nothing. I know in French it's Z, Z. I know in Spanish. Actually, I think in Spanish it's Zeta. Which I don't speak Spanish fluently. I don't speak Spanish at all. I have some Hispanic buddies though. They speak Spanish. I have one who's from California. He's telling us all the time. He's from Cali. I might need that. Okay. I still have not searched everything here. I feel like I'm wasting my time. What a lovely tent. Look for any more glowing things. Oh, I need to. Oh, I didn't need to eat that. I need to eat this. Popping pills. That's not good. Don't do it. Don't do it, guys. It's not worth it. Oh. Can I search that? No. Can I search? Oh, I can search that. What is this even? This looks. I think there's a shotgun in it.
Crap. So much for doing it the quiet way.
Wow. Okay, great. Come on, Maya Torres. Why am I going so slow? Where did all the zombies come from? I guess I didn't equip that pistol. Okay,
Where'd you come from?
Maybe I should... Yeah, where did you come from? Hunting.
Where were we?
You don't miss much, do you? Anyway.
Where were we?
Better deal with this first.
Yeah, we better stop talking and deal with this. Stop mid-conversation and deal with this. Zombie. Can't see that. Whoa! Inside. I feel like he can take care of himself. Jeez Louise.
What happened?
Oh, goodness. No, I don't. Sorry for asking. I think she's just...
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh, I swear.
That's gonna bring trouble.
Oh, they do shoot 22 calibers. Here we go. Right. Well, yeah, we'll do this. Close the door so they can't get in.
What's the word?
Oh, no, let me in, let me in.
See ya.
Nope, 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 nope. The word is get back in the house. Now. Jump through the window. We got a big fight coming, guys. Be prepared. I think fighting inside is where it's at because, oh well, I guess you can kind of jog around inside and you don't lose. Why can't I do that? Oh, that was awesome! Oh, well, I really hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. I know I'm loving it. Oh, get up! Oh, I failed myself. We already switched out that place, so. I like that whole little finisher, special finisher, dude. I feel like I don't need to waste my ammo, but I want to because it's just nice to use your weapon when you have it. I think I could throw away one of those pit. You kidding me? Kidding me? You kidding me, Jack? Okay, come on. Sorry, guy. Thanks for the help, guys.
Not alone here. Why I'm here?
Oh my gosh, this game is so cool. Okay, search. We're gonna press and hold Y. Well, now I've been watching, guys, and it's time for me to go. I'm just gonna pick up right where I left off, so I won't be gone long. I didn't find anything. Yeah, that's a great way to end the video.